Welcome to Toon Kids Toddles!
Everyone in Sunny Meadow knew Rico the rabbit was the fastest animal around. But one exciting adventure would teach him that sometimes being slow and careful can be more important than being fast. In a green, bright meadow lived two friends, Rico the rabbit, Toby the turtle. Rico loved running. Every morning he raced through the grasses, jumped over the rocks, and proudly shouted, "I'm the fastest animal in the whole meadow." The bird chirped, the squirrel clapped, Toby simply smiled. Being fast is wonderful, Rico, but being patient was important too. Rico laughed. "Patient? I don't need patience. I can do everything quickly." One morning, Animal announced excitement challenge somewhere near the Rainbow Hill. The magical golden leaf, the first team to bring back, will win the friendship medal. Rico's eyes sparkled. "I will win for sure." Toby smiled. "Then let's go together." Roby and Rico agreed, but secretly though, hopefully Toby doesn't slow down. As soon as the adventure began, Rico raced ahead. He jumped over the stone, dashed across the grass, quickly disappeared around the bend. "This is too easy," he laughed. But suddenly, he reached a place where a forest path split into the three different directions. Rico stopped. "Oh no, which way?" He looked left, then right, then left, then right. "I have no idea where to go." Meanwhile, Toby slowly followed the trail. He noticed tiny footprints, broken leaves, and few golden petals on the ground. There must be sign leading towards the Rainbow Hill. Soon, Toby found Rico sitting under the tree. "I'm lost," Rico admitted sadly. Toby smiled. "Don't worry, we will find the way together." Rico looked surprised. "You know how to follow the trail?" Toby nodded. "I may be slow, but I pay attention." Together, they followed the trail until they reached the wide little river. They collected leaf and stick, and they tied everything together and made a tiny raft. "That might actually work," Rico laughed. Together, they climbed on it and carefully crossed the river. For the first time, Rico realized something important. "I couldn't have done this alone." Finally, they reached the top of Rainbow Hill. Behind a big tree, something sparkled in the sunlight. "The golden leaf," shouted Rico. They had found it. Rico carefully picked it up. "We did it, Toby smiled. "We did it because we worked together." Toby and Rico, a shiny friendship medal. Rico looked at Toby. "I thought being fastest was everything." Toby laughed softly. "And what do you think now?" Rico thought for a moment. "I think I would have been completely lost without you." Toby laughed. "I wouldn't have crossed the river without your help either." They both laughed as they continued walking, while Rico looked at Golden Leaf in his fur. When they returned to Sunny Meadow, all the animals cheered. "You found the golden leaf." The animal gave both friends laughed. From that day, Rico stopped racing ahead without thinking. Toby never worried about being slow. They became the best adventure partner in Sunny Meadow. Because true friendship isn't it about who get there first. It's about making sure your friend get there with you. Children, true friendship is not about being fastest or strongest. It's about helping each other, trusting each other, and never leaving a friend behind.